Hello and welcome back to another Top 4 walkthrough video. You may remember our previous video where we showed you how to navigate the platform. Today we're taking it a step further by showing you how to use our very own AI tools to optimize your Top 4 local page. We'll start on your business dashboard. Here you can see the completeness of your local page. In this case it's at 85%. To improve this, simply click on this button right here. This takes you to the Edit Business form. Here you can update all your business information. A unique feature of Top 4 is the ability to hide your business location, a crucial feature for those operating from personal addresses. But for this walkthrough, we'll keep the address visible. Make sure all your business information is accurate, your phone number, website, and business category. Now let's move on to the business description. Don't worry about crafting the perfect description on your own. Our AI tools are here to help. Click on AI Tools in the left-hand menu, then select Business Description Generator. Input some basic information about your business, and let our AI generate some ideas for you. Choose the one you feel is most suitable, click the copy icon, and then paste it back in the edit form. For the business overview, repeat the same process, but this time select Business Overview Generator. Remember, you can edit the content to suit your preferences. Next, select keywords that are relevant to your business and customers. This will help improve your visibility to the right audience. And finally, make sure your social media links are correct. This is a great way to drive traffic and attract a larger audience to your social media. Once you're happy with all the information, don't forget to click Save. And there you have it. With Top 4, optimizing your local page is that easy.